In this video, I'll be showing you how to analyze the game. We first need to get the data in the folder, which was in the raw data, the custom folder. This folder is the zip files which contain the raw data. So the column here will grab all the zip files and create a data frame. The submit time here is the timestamp when the event is triggered. Here we pass out the date for the user analysis. This is a preview of the data set. The column we care about are the names, the user ID, the platform, the custom parameters, the location, and the time. To do the user analysis, we need to calculate the DAU and MAU and the new user. The DAU is calculated by grouping the user ID by the date and count how many unique users of that date. The MAU is calculated by the rolling sum of the DAU. And the minimum period will handle the first 30 rows. The new users will be calculated by the minimum date of the user. So here are the two plots. The first plot will show the DAU and the new user, and the second plot will show the MAUs. The daily retention refers to the continuation of playing the game over a period of time. We first find out the first day of the user played the game and calculate the seniority. Then we group by the first date and the seniority and count the users. So if we plot the graph, it will show in this table. If you want to get the percentage, you will calculate it by the value divided by the first column. So if you want to get this value, it will calculate it by 6 divided by 18. And for this value, it's just 1 divided by 18. The level start and complete analysis will show how difficult the level is. If the level start is much higher than the level complete, it shows the level is difficult. Here we are getting the rows of the event of level start. We also do the same for the level complete. So here we are getting the custom, all the values in the custom parameters, which was the value here. So this will show the first 100 figures of the level start and level complete. Then we use counter to count how many levels that were started and how many levels that are completed. And we plot the histogram. We will plot the level start and level complete histogram together. And in this plot, you can see that for level 6, there are many level start compared to level complete. This shows this level 6 is pretty difficult than other levels. The spell analysis will show the usefulness of the spell. Here is the preview of the data of the spells. So we will grab the event type with item required and get the columns of the name and the custom parameters. If we parse out the custom parameters, we'll get the data frame here. So this will show the dirigible was bought in the store. If we group by the item ID, we will calculate how many item was bought in the store. So this will show the dirigible was sold 234 times. We were using this table to plot the graph, which was showing here. This will show the dirigible was buying the most and the bill spot is buying the least. The country analysis will tell how many where the user are located. We'll grab the country column and find the unique countries. Here we are plotting we are printing all the countries of the player. So if we group by the country, we will find how many users in that country. For example, there are 71 users in the US. In this country analysis, we'll both use the bar plot and the pie chart for showing for data visualization. The bar plot will show the count, and the pie chart will show the percentage of the users.